What's good, my people? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. It's a real quick update on my FTMO channel, guys. It's a very special day. Anyway, guys, it's nothing special. I'm kidding about it. I just took a trade, so I just trying to I want to share with you guys, and at the same time, I'm posting my FTMO journey. And who wants to, you know, to follow me up with my journey, feel free to subscribe, like the video, and we getting started to the video, guys. Today it was a profitable day again. Let me just reload the page real quick. So basically we right now are sitting at 2.04%. We took a trade. It's a small trade, guys. It's nothing too special. So basically we had this break. I was looking for retest. I was seeing here like it start popping up. I opened here a trade, very simple. I put my stop loss above this zone, and I was targeting a 1-to-1 at least, something like that. It was a 1-to-1, yeah. So basically very slightly and beautifully my price action came here, yeah. So which is, I'm gonna share with you, it was, let me see, it was this one, and I closed 50% of the table, yeah. I closed 50% of the table, and I left a runner, yeah. I was planning to run this stuff like somewhere to the downside, yeah, somewhere down. But obviously this price action came here, and here was a news, so that's why I hate news. But my stop loss already wasn't break even, and I kind of start moving my stop loss a little bit below, somewhere here. And when this news popped up, literally huge, and this candle was so fast that it just came here, stopped me out, and moved down. And right now it's kind of consolidating, which is a nonsense. The trade itself has been a beautiful trade. I could close it right here on 1.75 RR, but I was targeting below than that. I can't complain, you know. I took a trade, you see, came back, closed me to the break even, so I kind of made for the day only $82. It's nonsense. It's nonsense. It's not that much, but it's a profit at the end of the day, and I'm grateful for that. Let's see, guys. Since I start my journey, yeah. So I had $9. I told you, I was explaining what I was doing here, and from here I start like trading for real. So I took 700 day, 141, 67. Those small wins a day, that was like more break evens. So this was a target close. This was a almost break even. I mean, I took 50% off and came back and stopped me out at the break even. Here was a full TP. Here was like a break even day. Here was like small profit, and today was a small profit. It's nothing why I complain about it. My risk to reward ratio is still 1164, which is insane, and my win rate is 54, which is crazy. It's crazy. My average loss is like $11, but I know the reason why it's $11. And the profit is 129 on average. And right now I'm sitting at 12,045. Just to make sure, I'm gonna show you guys my dash. So I'm sitting at $102.44, $44.54 is the same price as here. So yeah, guys, that's my update for the day. And if you like my video, guys, my breakdowns, is very simple concept. I do just trading like zone to zones. I throw in my key zones, which they are equally, how you can see, and I trading 1-to-1, yeah, moving my stop loss to break even and targeting lower 2-3-1. So in the long run we should be Gucci, like to make it work out. We'll see how fast we're gonna get to the 10%, because I still think it won't be an easy journey, and I don't think it's gonna be so fast how other YouTube gurus, how they passing those challenges, like on 1-2 trades, bashing it up like 5%, 4% risk per trade. I can't really do that. I got unlimited time, so I got unlimited time to pass it. I'm not rushing. At the same time, I would like to share with you my journey, and at the same time, I journaling my journey. So yeah, guys, feel free to subscribe, comment, like it, and see my guys in my next breakdown video. Peace and love. I'm out.